Here is how to customize the navigation bar on your Android phone, focusing on the Samsung devices. One method involves using the Good Lock application, which offers additional customization options. You can change the appearance and functions of the navigation buttons, multitasking, home, and back. You can modify their look and even assign different actions to them. And there is another option called Navstar. If this application is available in your region, you can install it, and this will let you enable a button to hide your navigation bar. Additionally, you can also switch from using buttons to swipe gestures for navigation. These gesture settings can often be found with the main display settings of your phone. The specific customization options available depend on your phone model and the desired outcome. If you want to explore about the navigation options, you can go to display and go through all of these settings over here. Then tap on navigation bar and you will get the navigation type of buttons, swipe gestures, and button order. You can select any one that you prefer. So basically, there is a limited option for a navigation bar inside the system settings. So you can freely go ahead and install various applications on your phone and then customize your navigation bar in an interesting way. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.